They say if you catch the last train on Metro Line 13, you might not come back. It was the night Ella missed her regular train, boarding the eerily empty last one. She noticed the flickering lights and chilling silence, but it was too late. The train sped through unknown tunnels, bypassing familiar stations. Panic set in as passengers vanished one by one, leaving only their reflections behind. Ella's heart raced when she saw her own reflection grinning maliciously. A voice whispered, "The train chooses its passengers." When the train finally stopped, it was an abandoned station from decades ago. Ella was never seen again, but some nights, commuters still hear her frantic whispers echoing through the tunnels.